Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna compare this two smartphone Vivo V40e smartphone and Iqoo Z9s 5G. So let's compare it. Talking about its display and outer features are same. You can see the camera's design is both are same design. You can see it is a quite metallic gray color, and this is in mint green, and it has texture too. Vivo branding is there, and in this IQ branding is there. Talking about its port, you will see a volume up and volume down, and one power on off. At the bottom you will see one speaker type C port for charging, one microphone, and one SIM tray port. At this side you will see nothing, and at the top you will see one microphone is there at the right hand side, and they are both are very handy, and the display and the badges over the display is very small and thin. Let's open it and see the camera. First let's open the camera, click on video and see the resolution. It can record at 4K at 30 fps, and both have similarly same quality of camera. You can see I have taken some pictures. You can see friends, this is the low lighting picture condition, and it is in the brightness one. You can both see, and you can zoom it till the full screen. Let's click on back and see the features. Both have same high resolution and pano, ultra HD, slow mo, time lapse, super moon pro, dual view, live photos, macro, and night vision also. Let's come to the settings and check about the about phone section. So first you have to go to about phone. Here it is. You can see it is a Fun Touch OS 14, and its processor is 2.5 gigahertz Dimensity 7300 octa core, as similar to the IQ one, and its RAM is 8 GB, and 8 GB is extendable, and 14 is Android version, and both is 4 GB 128 GB model. Let's click on press, and you can see the smoothness of this smartphone. Both have similar smoothness. You can see you can play any game you want. Let's test the sound. So first let's open the YouTube. Friends, you can see the sound quality. Both have similar bass and sound up to 200 max. Both have similar. And let's test the video quality also. So first let's open video 4K. Here it is. This is the Vivo one, and this is IQ. And friends, you can see both can zoom up to 8x zoom, you can see, and both is in the full screen. and you can check the settings from here. Click on quality, then advanced, and you can watch video in 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. That is a pretty good feature in it. Let's press back, and same camera resolution, both have same. You can buy it. They both have cool features in it. And talking about inside the box accessories, that let's check. Here are both have boxes. Let's open it, and both have say tray, and both have protective case. You can see it is a rubber protective case. It prevents it from the scratches or anything. And a quick guide and a warranty card, you can see both have. And 80 volt of fast charging, you can see. And it is a USB to type C charging cable and one SIM tool. Let's pack this. You can purchase it. I have given the link in the description. If you like this comparison video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.